Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to a new video of something completely different from what I'm usually do. Um, Today I'm going to show you guys how to install Linux onto a Windows 10 computer. You running a Intel processor. Wow. So first things first, um, you're gonna wanna I recommend installing a copy of Windows. I actually have one on this, but I'm removing it because I'm going to go through the hard way of installing Windows. Um, they both might actually take the same speed, so actually, you know what? I'm actually going to go ahead and reinstall Windows on this so that way I can show you how to do that. Alright, so just a minute here. Alright, so I got my SD card plugged in, but I'm going to unplug it and wash it off. I'll get back to you. Alright, so first things first, what you're going to want to do is, why is this still... Oh, fun. Okay. Well, I might have to do this difficult way. Hold on just a second. Alright, let's try that again. Okay, so got everything situated with my hard drives, got them all formatted and stuff. So first thing you want to do is Google online for Windows 10 download. Okay, you're gonna want to click this first link that you see. You're gonna install the creation media for Windows 10. After you got that installed, you also want to go into your Microsoft Store, and you're going to want to install Rufus. Rufus is a media creation tool. It allows you to take an ISO file. Okay, so don't do what I wanted you to do. Okay. It'll be this one right here. Okay, so after you get that all downloaded and stuff, that's the first step you want to do. Second step, go into your Windows Parsec. Let's see. Where did it go? It might actually be in my files. Hold on. Yes, right there. So you're going to want to, when you do this for the creation tool, go ahead and click yes. And I'll get back to you when it's done loading because this thing takes forever. Okay, so it should probably tell you, don't keep both of these plugged in because you might actually choose the wrong one. I'm installing Linux Mint on this, so we're going to go ahead and disconnect that. Alright, so now that this is going, or not. Ooh, yeah, this might take a minute. So essentially, Linux Mint is a development software, I think, maybe something like that. It's faster than Windows, so if you're on an old computer like this, helps out a bit. Google also has an OS that's a lot faster than Linux. It's called Chrome OS Flex. And you can download Chrome OS Flex and get about the same thing. Okay, so the only thing with Chrome OS Flex is that you can't install Android apps. So it's not really that useful, but there is also an OS called FydeOS, FYDEOS, that will give you access to Google Play Store, and that actually works pretty well. So when you open this up, you'll see this, and you're going to want to click Create Installation for USB Flash Drive, etc. Click Next if I can find my mouse. Make sure it's right for your PC, blah, blah, blah. And with this, you want to make sure you click the USB flash drive. Of course, I don't have a flash drive, so that will be the only thing that pops up. It says Linux Mint, that's just because I didn't rename it. And then it's going to start your download. I will get back when this eventually finishes. Okay, so this is going to take a while anyway, but so we're going to go to Chrome if it opens. And you guys just get to see exactly how slow this is. So we're going to go ahead and Google Linux Mint. Click on the very first link you see. Click download. You'll have 3 options. I'm going to go with this one right here, Cinnamon Edition. It has more features. It's more modern. This one is essentially that, but it's a lot lighter. Yeah, it's a lot lighter. I'm actually curious if it'll say the download size. Yeah, okay, so this one's 2.7. Don't call me a liar. And this, you called me a liar, you son of a bitch. I mean, it says more efficient, lightweight. It doesn't support as many features, but is lighter on resource usage. So I'm gonna go ahead and download this. It says anyone can do anything, blah blah blah. This is stuff you can do to confirm your file, but my trusted file is from Layer Online by World. Some of these, like if you look through these, all these are USA, and some of these look really weird. Linux Freedom, I don't even want to trust that one. Open Computing Facility at you, blah blah blah. Perude Linux Users Group, like there's, hey look, Sonic. Yeah, there's a lot here, but I have downloaded this one before, so I'm gonna go ahead and download that. It is already on my system, so I don't actually have to download it, but you go ahead and download that. And when that's done downloading, you can go ahead into your applications and open up Rufus, assuming that that's done downloading. Make sure you click yes. My computer's having such a hard time right now because it knows it can't do this. So since that's downloading now, we can plug in the previous drive. Let's see. I want this. Come on. Holy shit, you're slow. Oh, fudge. Where is it? No, that's language. That's not needed. Okay. Okay, we're gonna close this and reopen it because I did just plug it in. So you want to have that plugged in first. The hard drive you're using. Make sure that's downloaded first. Open that up. It's gonna take a while. Close this and that while I'm at it. figured this might happen. Okay, so if your device doesn't pop up here, so additional format? No, wait. Right here, drive properties. Show list USB hard drives. We'll make sure that that's... See what I mean? This thing's so fucking slow. Okay, I'll let you know when I get this going. Okay, yeah, nice. So my computer's literally frozen. I can't even exit it. Like, I can go here. Oh, it's gone. Say ya, bye. Okay, that works. Rufus. Yes. Okay, we're gonna go back. Oh, look at that, it's already there. So, what if I do that? Hey, look, there we go. Okay, so that's checked now. And we can see our hard drive. So we want to select that. Please select. We're going to select from our downloads folder. We're going to click this one right here, which is already installed. Open it. It's going to say it's ready. Okay, you don't have to mess with any of this stuff. It's really simple to use. I guess it doesn't recommend that you use a hard drive because of the storage space, but I can, if I really wanted to, I can plug it back into my PlayStation and format it. It won't hurt it. I'm going to go ahead and click start. It's going to ask you if you want ISO or DD. Select ISO. Before it shows you this, it will show you another warning saying that you need to install something. Go ahead and just click OK. It won't take too long. It does it in the process of installing. Click yes. Okay, or it's gonna work. What is this thing doing? I can't even tell. Wait, what is it doing? Copying ISO files, 0.5%. I'm gonna go into my disk manager and just make sure that it's actually doing something. So you can dual boot Linux, and I can't with this thing. Disk management, please. Thank you. Okay, when it's multitasking, it sucks. But this right here is my internal, which is non-replaceable. And I literally only have 50 gigs. Oh, sorry, no, 58, look at that. Okay, so, this center one right there is the one taking storage. Well, there's not really a sense. You only get to clear up like 600, but not worth it. This has all of your shit in it. Healthy graph, blah, 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 blah. This I'm getting concerned of because I don't know what that is. But we got my 2 drives here. Active. This one's getting Windows installed on it, so this will get renamed ESB, USB, something like that. And as you can see, this was named hard disk drive. You can also see it here. It's already starting to change stuff, so maybe it is. Of course. It had an issue. Let's check it out. Oh no, it's done. Okay. So at this point, we're just waiting for... It's waiting. It will say it's ready, and then it will allow you to start, but if it's a green bar, that means it's completed. So we can now close that. Exit that. I will show you what it calls itself. Oh, fuck. Which one was it? Drive D? Yeah, because it's not copying over yet, so. This is everything here. I could do an auto run, but... Oh, wait, no, sorry, that's my local disk. This one right here is the one you want to see. You want to be able to see all this right here. And it quite literally doesn't even take up that much space. Like if I go to my properties, you will see that I am literally only using 2.74 gigabytes out of 2 terabytes. So yeah, it's kind of useless, but yeah, I'm gonna let you know when Windows has decided that it wants to do this a little bit faster. We're at 62. I guess it's not that bad. Not that bad. Current time is 7:14. So see you when it gets done. Okay, so change plans instead of just waiting. I'm gonna go ahead and show you FidoS. Oh fucking A! I'm opening Chrome. Oh, it's slower every time. There we go. So Chrome OS Flex, if you do want to do that, you have to install Chromebook Recovery Utility. You open this up, then it will give you this, blah, blah, blah. And then to download Chrome OS Flex, you have to do it manually and select Google Chrome OS Flex. And then click the first one, boom. And then you can continue and you select your thing, you go ahead and do that. And then after that's done, you boot off of the USB drive that you used. FidoS. FidoS is essentially Google Chrome. It runs off of Google Chrome. As you can see, delivers a Chromebook-like experience. It's quite literally Chrome OS, but allow cookies, yes.
So what is FidoS? A sleek, mighty and cloud-first operating system. It's the ideal pick for old computers, transforming sluggish to lightning fast almost magically. Experience a rapid transition from startup to desktop in a mere 8 seconds, complemented by seamless background updates. Your digital life stays in sync with the cloud. Lose your device? No sweat. Log into your cloud account and voila, all your data reappears. Now, what's the FidoS magic? FidoS supports web, Android, and Linux applications. You might be an educator shaping minds, a geek exploring tech frontiers, a talented creator, or a streaming and gaming aficionado. FidoS rises to every occasion with ease. Security. Its system file read-only nature inherently safeguards your data. And for privacy, FidoS stands firm with protection policies, never trading your privacy for profit. This is FidoS. Are you ready to leap into this adventure?
And that's essentially it. Okay, so yeah, FidoS is essentially a Chromebook. It's essentially Chrome OS. Like if you've seen that, like this taskbar, if you know what that means, yeah, it's Chrome. It's literally Chrome OS. It's run off of Google Chrome. Google Chrome versus FidoS. Yes, allow all fucking cookies. Jesus. I'm actually curious on what this can do. Everything seems to be the same except for hardware compatibility. Hardware compatible it's essentially you can download anything. Chrome OS, Chromebooks only, blah blah blah. Device customization, all that stuff, privacy. Google, huh? Is that what you want to call it? Privacy risk using a Chromebook when it uses essentially the same shit. Okay. You can also use FidoS for an enterprise, for example, school. There's all kinds of things. It literally, and look at that, trusted by HP, which is, if you can see it. Well, okay, yeah, this is a HP, but anyway. I've actually I've already tried this out. It does work. I trust it. The only difference is Chrome OS Flex doesn't have the ability to do anything special, if you know what I mean. Yay! No, yay! Fucking 93%. So that entire time I just took 93. That's it. Okay then. And nothing on this yet. This will change its name eventually. So get back when that happens. Alright, we're now on to the good stuff. So it's finally starting to download. I wonder if it's named already. Not yet. Okay, well, anyway, the download's a lot faster than the actual download. 7%. Yeah, no. Hopefully it makes my computer a little bit faster. I don't want to install Chrome OS because I'm kind of tired of it because I already got a Chromebook as is. That I plan on downloading Windows on eventually in the future. Which is probably a bad idea, but who cares? When I did a benchmark test using Chrome OS Flex on this and Chrome OS on my Chromebook, the Chrome OS Flex actually worked better. Yeah. So, alright, so I just got an update, just opened this up. It has renamed the USB. It has shown that error code again. So that's awesome. If it doesn't install, I really don't care. Like I said, I'll figure out a way. Other than that, we're pushing at 57 now. I think it's going to start. Yep, it's going to start finishing up at this point. Alright, finally. She is done. Go ahead and click finish. It's going to take 2 hours doing this. I've literally been sitting in this position the entire time. Alright, so now that is done. Alright, now we can go ahead and unplug this and chuck it across the room. So depending on your PC, the button may be different, but with this, it's F9, change the boot order. So we're going to go ahead and shut your computer down. It might take a while. Alright, now that we have officially shut down, we're going to turn it on. And you're going to want to press the change boot order button. On this one, it's F9. Alright, now we get to go here. There's my hard drive. Click enter and see what she does. Wow, that's quicker. Hey. I'll let you know when I am able to succeed. Sorry. Oh, it's doing stuff. Hell yeah. Okay. The screen just flickered. I don't think it's going to boot right off, but we shall see. Oh, we shall see. Oh, it disappeared. Please don't believe. It is reading the disk right now, so. Come on, baby. Oh, you see that? Did you see that? Ooh, ooh, look at that. Alright, so this is Linux Mint. Welcome to Linux. So, you got all your fancy, cool little things here. You got everything. So it's not actually installed right now. We're running a demo. If you wanted to do it every time, you could use this as your primary if you really wanted to. I mean, I guess privacy matters. Go ahead and open up, install Linux Mint. Oh, nice. We get the coloring wheel of death like on Windows. Nice. Alright, so once it starts doing its thing, you'll see this. Select your language and continue. Select your keyboard and continue. Set up your Wi-Fi. And mine's not on here. That's not good. Alright, I got that all figured out. It's just depending on whether or not this thing wants to load. There we go. Okay, so we got this screen here asking us if we want to play some or do some things. You don't have to at all. Just gonna go ahead and continue. Actually, you know what? Screw it. I'm going to do it. So I'm gonna click this and literally just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, because I really don't care. Not like anything personal is gonna be on this computer because I don't usually use computers that often. Alright. So then we get to the final stages, and you can install Linux alongside Windows. You can choose whether or not which one to do. If you have more storage, you can do this if you want to do that. I'm going to go ahead and click install erase disk and install Linux. I'm going to go ahead and install it. Here are the changes it will do. So yeah, I'm literally running my computer on an SD card. Like, that's its main source of storage. So I had I think it was 57 gigabytes of storage, and we will see what we have after this. Go ahead and set your time zone, which that is in my... Yeah, that's... I can't see that, but whatever. This really doesn't matter. Alright, set your name. I definitely don't want some freaking high-ass, long-ass fucking name, so we're just gonna do Anthony's HP laptop. Set a password. Alright. Go ahead and click continue. You can tell how slow this computer is. Like, it literally loads so slow. And now, she's copying the files, and you essentially just wait for it to install. Alright, I think we're just about, yep, done. Sweet. Installation is finished. You can continue using Linux now, but until you restart the computer, any changes you make or documents will not be preserved. So we're going to go ahead and restart now. And once my hard drive turns off, I can unplug it. If it does. Okay, maybe it won't, but yeah, that's essentially all you need to do. So we shall see. I hope I'm not going to see that every fucking time. Oh, dear Lord. It's not reading the disk because the disk is solid. And there we are. So everything is done and we are all set. So now we can unplug the hard drive. We're now running solely on the computer itself. Oh! Ow! But yeah. And that is your guide on how to install Linux on a Windows computer. And if you ever think of turning back, I'm thinking about making another video to turn back to Windows. Other than that, guys, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and comment for more videos that you potentially might want to see. Catch you guys later.